So for the first method, head over to search and then type in sound mixer options. Once you're on it, make sure that you're recording on instant replay so that this can pop up. And then make sure that NVIDIA container is on 100 and system sound is on 100. Okay guys, now for the second method is you want to click on Alt-Z and then head over to settings and then scroll down to audio. And then if it says create single track, try to separate both tracks, see if it works. If not, then go back to create single track and see if it works. For the third method, head over to search and then type in sound settings. And then once you're on it, you want to scroll down into more sound settings. And then make sure that you're on the playback tab. And then whatever headset you're using or your speakers, make sure that it says default device. So select it and then click on OK. For the fourth method, you want to make sure that Nehemic, Zoner or Razer Kraken softwares are not running at the same time as you're recording. If it is, you could just try to uninstall it or just try to block it or something, or just turn it off. For the last method, right click on the start button, click on device manager. Once it's opened, head over to sound, video and game controllers and then make sure that NVIDIA virtual audio device is enabled. So right click on it and then make sure it's enabled.